to the Dani Stranger channel. My name is Dani.
And I'm Dani Stranger.
And we're going to be unboxing a Christmas box that my aunt created that we opened on Christmas.
With lots of Christmas goodies.
She was inspired by the Walt Life box. So, let's get to it! We interrupt this Christmas vlog with a Walt Life box unboxing that our aunt gave us. This is the Mickey they put on it, and then they put Walt Life.
A homemade Walt Life box.
Open it.
Oh, there's a bunch of presents in here.
Alright, so let's start opening. Tinkerbell. Cupcake ears.
Oh.
These are so cute. Oh, it says food and wine on them.
Oh.
So cute.
This is a pop socket with Grogu on it from The Mandalorian.
You can open this. The other ears.
Oh, we have
Oh
this.
my gosh. The ice cream ears, those are so cute.
It has bites out of this ear.
That's kind of weird.
Ooh, a Star Wars Mandalorian puzzle.
And then we have this mask that has Mickey on it.
Wait, let me. Oh, that's cute. It's a
It
little
has-
small though.
Yeah.
Fine, I have a small piece. Okay. Ooh, this wrapping paper looks so cute. Alright. Oh, masks.
More
Nice.
masks.
Another mask.
The Mickey. And we have this one. And then we have this plaid one.
Now we have this red one. So let's Oh, it's
Oh.
a Pixar. Oh, it's backwards. Ah.
So what are the characters on it?
So you can either get Sully, Carl, Alien as Buzz from Toy Story, Wally, Eve, Alien as Woody, Chef Remy, Ian and Barley from Onward, and Exclusive A and Exclusive B.
They are mystery.
Yes.
Open it, see who it is.
Alright, let's see which one we get. Can you open it? Yeah, let me try.
So we got scissors.
Alright, come on.
Okay. We
Oh,
got
it's
the
the
alien
alien.
is Woody.
That is so adorable.
Is it a keychain?
Yeah.
It's a keychain. Okay. Again with the pretty paper. Okay, this is food direction from Tokyo Disney Sea. Okay, and let's see
tiny.
what's in it. Oh, it's I guess you can put your recipes in here.
Goes to winter from him.
And then we have a notepad. Hey! I think this is a notepad that I used to draw in. I mean, I
You
think
just
I was
scribble
like,
it.
what was I, probably 2?
Or it was last year.
You know, maybe.
It's already.
Show me the front.
So, I guess this is a notebook that I used to draw when I was younger. Because I don't think I draw like this now.
And you left it at your aunt's house and she's giving it back to you.
Yeah.
A reboxing.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so over here we have another red package.
Oh,
And we have
it's another blind bag.
It's
the-
pin size heroes Disney.
All right,
So you can get Daisy, Donald, Eve, Wally, Mike Wazowski, Sully, Boo, Dumbo, Tinkerbell, Peter Pan, the crocodile from Peter Pan, and Captain Hook.
All right, let's see which one you get. Hold
can open
this
this
is
one.
easier to open. All right.
We got the crocodile.
I'll open this one. Oh, Smugs.
Oh shoot, sorry.
And it's
There it
this. I'm guessing this is for Mr. and Mrs. Stranger to use. Okay, so
Disney mugs.
yay! Last
So this is the last gift. It's Clue.
It's Villain's Clue.
It is
Wow,
a
look, it looks like a
villain's
book.
clue.
Cool.
Cool.
So there's Evil Queen, Dr. Facilier, Hades, Jafar, Maleficent, and Ursula. Yeah, we have the poison apple for
Evil Queen.
Evil Queen, and then
The-
the scepter for
Maleficent.
oh yeah,
It's
scepter for Maleficent.
That's
Okay.
for Jafar.
Oh, yeah, that's
the
for
little
Jafar.
like insect thing
The shell is for Ursula. The potion who's that?
is for
Hades, and the
then
talisman is for
Dr. Felicia.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
So is that it?
Look in the box.
There's
Disney Stranger.
okay, Disney Stranger. It looks like this is going to be a backdrop.
Oh, look, it's a vlogging backdrop that has Club 33 on it. That is amazing. That is so cool.
Yeah, we can use it for our vlogs. Thanks, Aunt Danny, Stranger.
You're welcome. You can't go to Club 33 right now, so we brought Club 33 to you guys. Glad you enjoyed it.
So that was our Disney Christmas Bonanza. We loved everything, especially those ears. Thank you, Aunt Danny.
You're welcome.
We appreciate you joining us on this unboxing adventure.
And guys,
Don't forget to walk forward.
thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.